Learn the secrets of vector graphics in Adobe Illustrator with our new lesson, Mastering Cutout Text, a guide to editable effects in Adobe Illustrator. For the background, let's take any picture you like. Take the rectangle tool and draw a base. It's roughly in the center of the background. Now add text. Your text can be edited later. Let's increase the size a little. Print the text, choose a font, everything as you like. Select the text and rectangle and move the background to the side so that it does not interfere. Now the focus itself, hold down the Alt key and click Exclude in the Pathfinder panel. We return the background to its place and see an interesting effect. Let's change the color to show that it is changing. Go to the Appearance panel and add a shadow effect by clicking on the Add New Effect button. It looks much better this way. Now let's edit the rectangle. We'll reduce its size to a few letters and reduce the size of some letters. To do this, you just need to double-click on the desired object. As you can see, you can edit everything, even the color. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join us on this creative journey. Let's dive in together and make your cutout text designs stand out.